The new education policy was announced on Wednesday, July 29. Earlier, the Union Cabinet aimed to change the education system of the country overhead. Union Ministers for Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar and Human Resources Development and Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank made an announcement on new education policy 2020. Earlier on May 1st, our Prime Minister Sir Narendra Modi had reviewed the new education policy 2020, for which a draft was prepared by experts of panel led by former Indian Space Research Organization Chief K. Kasturi Rangan. The new education policy 2020 aims at making our country India a global knowledge superpower. The new education policy system soonly applied in this new academic session, that is in September to October 2020. The delay is due to the unprecedented coronavirus disease, that is COVID-19 outbreak. The new education policy brings the children to learn at least one vocational and exposed to several more. Sampling of important vocational crafts such as carpenter, electric work, metal work, gardening, pottery making, etc. are decided by states and local communities during grade 6 and 8. By 2025, at least 50% of learners through school and higher education systems should have exposure to vocational education. A 10 days bagless period sometime during grade 6 to 8 to intern with local vocational experts such as carpenter, gardener, potters, artists, etc. Similar internship opportunities to learn vocational subject to students throughout the grade 6 to 12, including holiday periods. Aspirants, vocational course are also be learned through online classes. New Institute of Schooling will develop the high-quality modules to teach Indian Sign Language and to teach other basic subjects using Indian Sign Language. Preschooling section in Kendriya Vidyalayas are covering at least 1 year of early childhood care and education will be added, and other primary schools around the nation, particularly in disadvantaged areas. The Minister of Defence state government may encourage opening NCC wings in their secondary and higher secondary schools, including those located in tribal dominating areas. Free bonding facilities will be built matching the standard of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, particularly for students who are from socio-economical disadvantaged background. The children with disabilities will be able to fully participate in regular schooling processes from the fundamental stage to higher education, with support of educators with cross disability, training resources center, accommodations, assistive devices, appropriate technology based tools and other support mechanism tailored to suit their need. Every state district will be encouraged to establish Bal Bhavans, a special daytime boarding school, to participate in art-related, career-related and play-related activities. Free school infrastructure can be used as Samajik Chetna Kendras. Rajya Sabha MP Subramaniam Swamy tweeted, "I welcome the new education policy of Modi government. I had a discussion with MOHD earlier, which I had tweeted, my suggestion was education must get 6% of GDP, not the present 1.7%. This has been accepted in the new policy. My congrats." Bagless days will be encouraged throughout the year for various types of enrichment activities involving arts, sports and vocational crafts. The 3 languages learned by children will be the choices of states, regions and of the student, so long as at least 2 of the 3 languages are native to India. Education policy 2020 curriculum content will be reduced. Nutrition and health card regular checkups for students will be provided. Variable models for board exams, annual semesters, modular exams. Importance of board exams to be reduced. Exam can be conducted twice a year. Coding to be taught from class 6th. E-content in religion language apart English and Hindi. Best universities to be set up campus in our countries. New education policy 2020 bring major changes in the country.